Well, good morning and thanks for joining us on AccuWeather Early. Hurricane Beryl has since made landfall in the past, oh gosh, what is it, 2 hours ago now, right? No, 1 hour
An
ago.
hour,
1
yes.
hour ago.
Yeah, so we're Eastern time here. We're talking about Central time, so it
Central.
often can, be a bit wondering what the time is. But yeah, the hurricane officially has made landfall into Texas. But the impacts continue now.
Yes, they do. And that means the heavy rain will be one of the biggest concerns with this storm. But we're still seeing storm surge, strong winds that are creating power outages. So there are still several more impacts. Of course, Hurricane Beryl is our top story, making landfall this time. A lot of the worst of this storm for Texas is over as it drifts its way north through the country. So we have tornado threats still possible through the upcoming hours. A lot of today, that'll be through eastern Texas, even extending into Arkansas later on through the day. But the rainfall is the big problem. Flood watches already in place. We've seen some of those flash flood warnings in eastern Texas. There's more of that to come as it treks its way northward, so we'll still be keeping close tabs on the risk for rain. And Ariella, you've been watching the MinuteCast. No sign of relief anytime soon.
No, yeah, and MinuteCast is, our catchy title here, which helps you look at the forecast over the next. And we want to welcome you back here to our special coverage of Hurricane Beryl. I'm Ariella Scalese. Thanks for joining us.
And I'm Melissa Constanzer. It is Monday morning. The storm has made landfall around 4 o'clock Central Time, as it was announced by the Hurricane Center. And also, it's worked its way to Matagorda, Texas. So that's where it's officially made its landfall there. Continuing to move north now with a lot of rain and wind.
Yeah, we have been tracking this system, this hurricane, well over probably a week and a half now, trying to go back to 2 Fridays ago and getting our bearings here as we continue to watch this storm. Big impacts to Texas. Let's take you outside to Texas. A map across the Texas, including to the Houston area, where we're going county by county here to show you where things are pretty isolated into the whole state of Texas. Obviously, huge state here, but most of those counties without power right where the storm from late last night, but temperatures are still going to be very warm. The issue with these kind of earlier season hurricanes and impacts is that we're talking about July, not September, when peak hurricane season happens, and often we can get cooler air returning behind that, but we're going to still be in the thick of summer here over the next couple of days, so it will be dangerously hot for those without air conditioning. The heat and the humidity, also temperatures overnight will stay very mild, so not a whole lot of cooling behind the system. A few thunderstorms will be returning to the Gulf Coast as we head later into the week, but look at the heat. 98 tomorrow into Corpus Christi, 93 on Wednesday, and again 90s as we head into Thursday. Houston stays into the 90s the next couple of days, so very dangerous again without the air conditioning. By Tuesday, we'll watch Beryl as it continues to move out of Texas, so we'll be drying out throughout lots of the state as we head into the rest of the week. We'll watch as those storms continue to push on out and we dry out Texas. Well, AccuWeather has been proven to be the most accurate